Doesn't this already sound like Black Mirror? Welcome back to Tram-On Streets, and thank you for clicking on. I am super extra excited for this video today because I've been sent these dough sticks by telebaker.com. Hashtag grateful, hashtag bless. Oh my god. Essentially, these are little things that you lay on the side of your cookie dough as you roll them out, and it's supposed to make them really even for when you cut out your shapes. So I'm gonna be putting them to the test. And honestly, I don't roll with any sort of like, so this is, and honestly, I don't even roll with a guide to begin with. Like, I just roll free-handedly. So these are probably gonna help me at least 100%. Okay, so let's get to it. Ah! It's okay, I'm fine. Hey, kitty cakes. New fandom name? I actually really like that. And like, Baker's is super generic. I've just been saying it because, well, like, I don't know. That's off topic. I wanted to give a disclaimer that I actually know Telebaker personally. I worked with them with their product launch, and I built their website, and I know the woman who created it, and I did social media for her, and so I'm a little bit biased to this product, but I do like it, and I did want to share it with you guys. The information on them will be in the link in the description, of course. But yeah, I just want to tell you that. I didn't want it to be weird. And also, like, my kitchen is on her website and her other videos, so you probably would figure it out sooner or later. Thanks. Like my room? I'm gonna do a video tour of my room on my other channel, my personal channel. Oh my gosh, all kinds of plugs happening. But yeah, thank you. Okay, now back to your regularly scheduled program. So the thinner ones are for fondant, and the thicker ones, thicker than a ball of oatmeal, and the thicker ones are meant for cookie dough. My surface is clean. So you have to line up the sticks so that your rolling pin can rest on them and they're not gonna like slide off and slip off of the bars at any point. I know a lot of bakers have like those really long ones or like those Italian bread making ones. The great thing about the dough sticks is that you can adjust them, and I guess that's pretty cool. I actually like to put saran wrap on my cookie dough so that it doesn't stick and I don't have to keep adding flour. So there's a tip for you. Oh, I feel the dough stick. I feel my rolling pin. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Okay, it's sliding a little bit. Dough stick doing its work. Okay, I'm happy with that. Looks super level to me. Oh, dang. Dang, that's smooth. So I'm just gonna have a little chat with you while I finish rolling out these cookies. Not today. 2 re-rolls max in a non-sexist way. No, that's a big no-no. Did you know that turtles could sneeze? I made that up. I don't know. They probably can, actually. Oh, why didn't you tell a baker? Yeah! Yay! It's all even. Doesn't this already sound like Black Mirror? And I'm just confused. I don't know anymore. I don't know. 21st night of September.